In the aftermath of the Old One's mysterious disappearance, a transformative shift occurred within the Lizardmen society. The wise and enigmatic Slann withdrew into the depths of their cerebral realm, leaving the skink priests to assume the mantle of leadership. With their unwavering determination, these insightful beings embarked upon the daunting task of resecuring the majestic temple cities, breathing life into the architectural wonders of old. Through their tireless efforts, the overgrown jungles were meticulously tamed, carving a network of roads that connected the sprawling temple cities. Yet, as the years unfurled their tattered tapestry, the once advanced civilization of the Lizardmen began to regress, descending into the throes of primitive existence. The Old Ones, once revered as benevolent gods, now became distant and ethereal entities, worshipped by the Lizardmen with fervent devotion. Desperate pleas were raised by the skinks in times of adversity, offering blood-soaked sacrifices to attract the attention of their absent deities. The relics, once repositories of knowledge and technology, were now objects of wonder, shrouded in enigma and subjected to superstitious rites. Amidst this era of heightened superstition, a new deity emerged, casting a malevolent shadow upon the land. Sotek, the serpent god, ignited a fervor in the hearts of the Lizardmen, stoking the flames of fanaticism. Inspired by the visionary Tehen Howin, the skink priest orchestrated a ritualistic carnage, a macabre symphony of slaughter performed upon countless hordes of ratmen. The Skaven met their gruesome demise, their fate sealed by serpent pits of grisly disembowelment, their organs offered as unholy tributes to the heavens. Krokgar, the indomitable Snorris leader, emerged as the harbinger of death, delivering the fatal blow to the innumerable Skaven warlords since the rise of Sotek. Entire temple cities congregated, their vast plazas teeming with frenzied skinks, as the sacrifice of a prominent Skaven commander unfolded before their rapt gaze. The inscrutable Slann mage priests, consumed by their own enigmatic pursuits, reluctantly acquiesced to these barbaric rites. Though they could no longer ignore the ascendance of a formidable god Sotek, nor restrain the primal urges of their devoted followers, they observed with their detached wisdom, pondering the consequences of such unholy practices. Whispered tales in far-off corners of the old world speak of the Old One's supremacy, a divine power that transcended even the gods of the ancient realms. It is said that the prime of their existence, these enigmatic beings possessed the ability to summon and bind the very fabric of divine divinity itself, shaping the formless void into the cradle of celestial beings. Their actions, guided by both design and happenstance, sculpted the cosmic tapestry weaving the destiny of all deities yet to come. In this tumultuous epic of sacrificial fervor and the dwindling enlightenment, the Lizardmen stand as a testament to the enigmatic legacy of the Old Ones. Their devotion, both awe-inspiring and harrowing, remain etched in the annals of time, a haunting reminder that the ancient powers that once walked among them. As we bid farewell to the realm of the Lizardmen and the Old Ones, let us carry with us the echoes of their extraordinary tale. We have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, devotion, and mysteries that shape the Warhammer universe. Remember, the Lizardman legacy serves as a beacon reminding us of the depth of devotion and consequence it may entail. As I conclude our exploration of this enthralling world of the Lizardmen and the Old Ones, we say goodbye to their mesmerizing tale. Through their rise and fall, we have witnessed the extraordinary depths of the devotion and the haunting consequences it can bear. The echoes of their legacy linger, resonating with the mysteries that shape the Warhammer universe. If this journey has stirred your soul and ignited the passion for lore, fear not, for there are more captivating stories awaiting your discovery. Please join me on this channel as I delve deeper into the rich Warhammer Fantasy Battles lore. And together we shall unravel the mysteries that unfold within its realms. From ancient races to epic battles, from gods and legends to secret hidden forgotten tomes, we shall embark on this wondrous journey. Let the flames of curiosity guide us as we unravel the tales of valor, betrayal, and boundless depths of imagination that make up the Warhammer Fantasy Battles. Remember to subscribe to this channel, for with each video I shall embark on a new adventure, unearthing the lore that lies dormant, waiting to be shared. Let the realms of Warhammer Fantasy Battle be our sanctuary, where dreams take shape and myths become reality. So, until our paths intertwine once more, may the winds of creativity guide you, and may the lore of the Warhammer Fantasy Battles continue to enchant your spirit.